Hi everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to fix the Fiat 500 roof trim paint. That's right, this is a very common with VWs and Fiat 500. The thing is, the roof trim paint start to peel from here, right here, and if it's not being fixed right away, this is what happened. When I found this Fiat, it had problem already. When I come back, I'll teach you how to fix it. I'll be back. Hi everyone, first of all, you need a mask because you'll be really dusty. Oops, sorry, I'm just gonna, you don't want to breathe the particle of the paint. Just protect your breathing when you do this. And safety goggles. What you want to do, you need this tool. I like the cobalt to remove the excess layer. Show them. Do you see this? This thing needs to come off. I already did majority of it today. See that? We need to take this paint off like that. I already did majority of this. I just leave it some for the video. You want to make sure there is no more surface paint, and make sure it's smooth. And you have to take the corner paint like that. Do you see that? Make sure all this corner, the paint in the corner, you remove it. I already did majority of it to shorten the video. Now once you're done with that, make sure keep this away from the car paint. You want to get a 3M sandpaper. Don't worry about anything, I'll put everything in the description. And start sanding this thing, making sure, see, there'll be a lot of dust. That's why you need the mask, like that. Be very gentle and just make sure everything is sanded very nicely. I'll be back. Everyone, it doesn't have to be all perfect. Make sure you get majority of the paint off. I like this waterless car wash and the microfiber towel. Just get all the stuff, the dust off the roof trim. And after we're done with this, we're gonna start. See all the paint I already scrub it up. It doesn't have to be all perfect. I'm gonna put primer after this. Right now it looks really ugly, but we're gonna put the trim. See that? Just use the waterless car wash. I mean, you can wash it, but it's gonna take too long. I just wipe it like this to make sure all the dirt are off. And after this, what you want to do, you want to start masking the area that you don't want to paint. So I'm gonna start doing that. I'll be back. The car is covered. We're gonna apply the primer. Be very gentle, and you don't have to rush. Just do it really lightly to cover the area. Like, you know, I use this wrapping paper from Walmart and 3M masking tape. You want to make sure you do it really patiently, like just light coat of primer, like that. See that? Whoa, let's just put this one down. It looks nice already, look.
Oh wow.
Wow, see that? We're already start fixing the, and we want to go to the other side. This is really cheap. I was quoted $600, okay, to fix this. and this way you can fix it. I mean, it won't be perfect. We're not like professional body shop, so this way at least you can have pretty decent. Look at that. Isn't that nice? This is why you need to cover the area of the car, so you want painted. See that? So we're just gonna apply another coat. I'll be back. We're gonna wait 10 minutes. I just finished putting primer, first coat of primer, and look at that. It starts to look really nice already. Much better, right? Yeah, I'm really excited. This is my daughter and my wife's car. So yeah, this is like your DIY. I'm not a professional body shop guy, but to pay like $600 for this, I just don't want to pay $600 for a $6,900 car. Okay, I'm just gonna do DIY work at home, and once the first coat is dry, you're gonna apply another primer, the second coat, you know, to make sure the surface is all even. Yeah, I did this with my Jaguar when I had to do a paint correction. The thing is, with having Jaguar, we got the Jaguar tax. As soon as you go to a body shop and they see you have a Jaguar, they quote you like $3,000, you know. You think you have a bank or something. But this way, since, you know, this is our cheap Fiat, I don't want to spend too much money on it. I'm gonna try to fix as much as I can. So yeah, I'll be back and we're gonna do a second coat. Now the second coat is done, we're gonna start putting the paint on it. I'll be back. Everyone, I ended up creating like third shade of gray. So you want to put like third coat just to make it all nice and smooth. Look, show them, Brenna. Isn't that nice? This is I put third coat instead of 3 coats instead of 2 coats. So yeah, it's like the 50 shades of gray. But anyway, yeah, it looks so much nicer, right? And then once the primer is dry, we're gonna wait at least 15 to 30 minutes, let it settle, and then we're gonna put the perfect match, a black original factory color. It'll be so nice, you know, once we apply the perfect match. I'll be back. Hi everyone, I'm so happy the primer is now dry. Now we're gonna do I did 3 coats on this one. I mean, you can do 4 coats. If you see any impurities, you can do up to 4 to 5 coats if you want. But now it looks really nice. I think this one is gonna last longer than the original Fiat paint because I use a Rust-Oleum. It's a really high quality primer on it. I don't know what Fiat did when they painted this car in the factory. I think they did a cheap work. But this one is gonna last a long time. For as long as the car is gonna run, this paint is gonna last. So anyway, yeah, I'm really excited about this. So I'm just gonna use the Dupli-Color, the perfect match for trim. This is like the black one. I'm just gonna test it out, shake it really well, and start painting it. Make sure you cover the part that you don't want to paint. Okay, so you won't mess it up. So we're gonna do first coat. Look at that. It looks so nice. I'm just so excited. Yeah, I was quoted like $600 to fix the sunroof and roof trim. I'm like, yeah, it won't be a perfect 100% perfect, but hey, when you save like $600, come here, brother. My daughter is here today to help me with the video. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go on the side so we can do it. Make sure you do it gently and don't rush. You have to be really patient when you do paint work. I just want to make sure the paint look at that, it's already looking so much better. It's not perfect like professional job, but hey, it's better than, you know, the look at that, it starts to look better, right? I'm so excited, guys. I'm really happy. Look at that. After this, I'm gonna put a clear coat, but you don't have to. This is like, I like the Dupli-Color. It gives you like the clear coat effect. Now we just have to wait another 10 minutes and we apply the second coat. Yeah, I'm working on the second coat now. It starts to look a lot better now. I mean, if you want to put what do you call that thing, clear coat after this, you can, but you don't have to. I'm not gonna put a clear coat since it's pretty glossy already, the paint. So yeah, I'm really happy with the wow, so much better. This is why this car really needed tender loving care when I found it. Now that I found the car, I'm able to restore it. Look at that, guys. It's so much better, right? It's not 100% perfect like professional shop, but look, I was quoted like $600 to fix this. This is only like what, $15, and the primer is like $15, and the paper is only like $5.99, and you can even get it for free. You know, you can use regular, you know, use paper, and then make sure you get a good quality masking tape. Yeah, I'm really happy about this. So look at that thing, it's so nice. I'm like, this is like the second coat. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Just look at that. Yeah, it's not like perfect, but at least it doesn't look like crappy, right? Like when it was peeling. Now it starts to look actually really nice, the edge. There you go. So anyway, that's basically what you do using a spray pen. If you don't have the money to do it, but you want your car to look nice, so yeah, it's not that hard to do. The whole project, it costs around like $35 to $40 if you just do it at home. Yeah, it won't look like I mean, if you want to use a clear coat after this to make it more glossier, you can, but I'm not gonna put a clear coat on it. I'm just happy that the car is done. Anyway, please click the like button and click the subscribe button. Love you guys. Bye.